Okay. Now, this is our first section. This is introduction to MS Excel, right? So in this chapter, we are going to understand the fundamentals of Excel. So first of all, you need to understand that the Excel is a spreadsheet application, right? So you need to learn about spreadsheets. What are the commercial uses of these spreadsheets? What are the feature of your worksheet? And what are the different applications for this? So Excel is not only the software which is a spreadsheet application. You will find GNumeric, KSpread, ZCube, Kelsey, Lotus Symphony, or Resolver. These all are spreadsheet application where you will find cells or you will find rows and columns, right? In which you can enter your data, or data can be alphanumeric, data can be numeric, or either text, right? So what is a spreadsheet? So spreadsheet programs are developed to automate tasks such as technical calculation, inferential statistics, or analyzing data. These are the usage of the spreadsheet applications, right? Now, what are the different features? The first feature is you can edit and format. Fine. You can create a word table also, right? आपने word का table भी देखा होगा. Word के table में भी आप data तो डाल ही सकते हैं. But certain kinds of formatting won't be available in word table, right? The formula and function. This is the basic and main feature of Excel. You can use your formula. You can use the function of Excel, which will help you, like sum, average, count, maximum, minimum. We'll see later on what are the different kinds of formulas are available. You can create charts and graphs from your data, right? So this is your spreadsheet detail. You will find ribbon option over here. आप सबके पास Excel install है आपके machine में?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सबके machine में install है ना?
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर.
Okay. So you will find it that ऊपर का जो portion है, कौन सा version आपने डाला हुआ है Excel का?
2013 sir.
Okay, fine. So you'll find a ribbon over here. These are the short buttons are there, like this font change, font size, right? Bold. This is midi alignment, number. These all are the ribbon. The upper portion below the menu is known as ribbon. Fine. This is cell, which is active cell. अगर आपको जानना है कि Excel में active cell कौन सा, तो जिसके आसपास ये black border है, that is your active cell. Fine. और ये active cell आपको मिलेगा कहाँ पे? ये name box में. यहाँ पे मेरा माउस कर्सर दिख रहा है आपको, C4 लिखा हुआ है जहाँ पे.
Yes, sir.
तो दैट इज योर नेम बॉक्स, जहाँ पे आपको आपका जो भी एक्टिव सेल है उसका नाम दिखेगा, राइट? हाउ द नेम इज गिवन. तो आपके पास जो कॉलम्स हैं, दैट इज फ्रॉम A to A, B, C, D, E, F, G एंड सो ऑन. कहाँ तक है किसी को पता है? विच इज द लास्ट कॉलम इन योर
XFD.
XFD? एंड हाउ मेनी कॉलम्स आर देयर? हाउ मेनी कॉलम्स आर देयर? चलिए,
5000 के ऊपर है सर.
5000 के ऊपर कितनी है? How can I know that? Which is my last?
16,384.
384.
Okay, 16,384 columns are there. How many rows are there? Rows are indicated by number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So how many rows are there?
10,48,576.
So how many cells are there? 10,48,000 something are rows and 16,384 are the columns.
Column.
Right? So how many cells are there in a single Excel worksheet? या मिला किसी को? You need to multiply these two figures, right? And so these are the power of Excel. In a single sheet, you will find this many cells, and you can have 256 worksheet in a single workbook. Workbook is your Excel document, right? In that particular single workbook document, you can have 256 worksheets. So 256 multiplied by 10 lakh something multiplied by 16,384, right? These are the number of cells you will find in a single workbook. And when you are going to enter anything in a single cell, entire cells in your workbook will get changed. And you can't judge in a single fraction of movement, everything will get changed. Fine. So this is the power of Excel. Okay. So row numbers are identifies a horizontal row in a worksheet. It appears on the left border of your worksheet. You can find it over here. These are your rows. Find column letters. So identify a vertical column in the worksheet. It appears on the top border of your worksheet. Right? You will find over here. These are your A, B, C, D up to Z. Then it will start like A, B, A, C, and up to AZ. Like that. The last will be XFD. Active cell you can identify by the block border. Formula bar. So where you are finding this FX, this is a bar where you can see your formula. So in any cell, if you are having any formula, you can find that formula in your formula bar. In your cell, it will show only the values, right? Whatever the formula will be calculated, whatever the calculated results are there, that result are shown only in the that cell. Okay, name box, as I told you, that name box will show you the cell number or cell detail, which is your cell's name. Then sheet tab, here are sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, you can find it. This is a sheet tab where you will find the name of your sheet. Quick access toolbar, you won't find this quick access toolbar after Excel 2007. Fine. अगर आपके पास Excel 2007 है, then you will find here on top left corner there will be quick access toolbar. This is your quick access toolbar where you can save, undo, redo. These are whatever the recently or repeatedly used functions are there. You can put those functions into your quick access toolbar. Fine. Okay. Now your first tab is file. That is your button. Please click on that. अगर आपके पास Excel है तो Excel open करिए and click on your file. All of you, please start your Excel. In your first document, please click on file.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done? Okay.
Yes,
What you
sir.
are getting there? So these are the options you will find there. Save, save as, open, close, info, resend, new, print, save, send, help, etc. Right? You're getting those functions over there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
what this function what this button is useful for? So you can open a new workbook, you can save your existing workbook, or you can have a print of that, or you can share to different modules or on the cloud, right? So these are the options which are useful to handle your workbook, right? Either you can open your workbook, or you can save as a different name or different extension. Do you know what is the extension of Excel sheet? Excel book? What is the extension of this file?
No. Don't know.
Okay. Do you know what is
Not
the extension?
XLS.
What do you mean by extension?
Their file format.
Okay, file format. You will find if your file's name is Kapil, let's say, the extension the name will be kapil.xlsx, right? So here xlsx is your extension. That will represent which kind of file is this, right? If you will find the PowerPoint file, it will be like PPT or PPTX. If you will open your Word document, the extension would be like doc or docx, right? So these are the different extensions you will find in your file. Okay. So this is the ribbon portion. Now, what is the workbook and what is worksheet? This is two names. Workbook is your document. When you start Excel, you open a file that's called workbook. Entire file is known as workbook, whereas the different sheets, you will find sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. These are your worksheet. Fine. Each worksheet has a name on its sheet tab at the bottom left of the workbook, right? Workbook जो है आपका, उसमें left में आपको bottom में आप देखोगे यहाँ पे, तो sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. These are your sheet tab. Okay. Here, as we discussed, worksheets are divided into columns, rows, and cells. That's the grid you see when you open up the workbook. columns go from top to bottom on the worksheet vertically, and rows go to the left to right on the worksheet horizontally. A cell is the place where one column and one row meet or interact. Each column has an alphabetical heading at the top. The first 26 column has the letter A through Z. Each worksheet contains 16,384 columns in all. So after that, the letter begin in the pairs like AA through AAZ. Okay. So these are totally columns, 16,384 columns. Now each row also has a heading. Row headings are numbers 1, 2, 10 lakh, 48,576. Right? The alphabetical heading on the columns and the numeric heading of the rows tells you where you are in a worksheet when you click a cell. Right? Now this is my cell F3, right? So F3 is my cell reference. This is known as cell reference, or you can say address of a cell. So we'll call it as cell address or cell reference, right? You can tell it anything. Name box also you know, जहाँ पे आपको cell का address दिखेगा. Okay, this is your cell information. Cell है और cell value जो आपको इसके बीच में दिखेगा. जो भी cell की value होगी, जैसे यहाँ पे अगर मैं करता हूँ equal to 10 plus 25, so my formula is what? My formula is 10 plus 25, or we can say A1, that is my cell address, A1 plus A2. This is my formula, right? In a cell. We have 10 and 20. So if I talk about F3 cell, the value of cell is 30, right? The formula of cell is equal to A1 plus A2, which you can see in your formula bar, right? Okay. The cell's address is F3, which you can say in your name box. Are you getting what I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes.
These are the information you can get from a cell. Cell's value, cell's row is, in my case, the cell's row is 3. Cell's column is F, right? Cell value is 30. Cell formula is equal to A1 plus A2. And cell address is F3. Fine? Or cell location is. Okay. These are the basic example they have given. If you got this kind of Excel tab, then A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, all these things are there. If you will put value 1, value 2 in total, so you can do 10, 20, 20, 30. These are the values they have put it on. And now they are doing total in C column. Right? The formula is sum. Okay. Now what is formula? How you can write formula in Excel? So each and every formula in Excel will start with equal to sign. This is for sure. अगर आप formula लिख रहे हो कहीं पे भी, you have to start that formula with equal to sign only, right? Then you can write after equal to sign. What you can write in that thing is you can write any formula or function name. Like here they have written sum. Sum is a formula or function, right? Please mute yourself. Okay, you can write sum.
वो का है तार वाला जो बॉक्स था चार्जिंग पे लगा दीजिए जिसको.
Please mute yourself, all of you, please. Mute कर दीजिए अपने आप को. Okay. Now, what you can write in that formula cell is it can consist of value. You can write any value. Like मैंने जो पहले लिखा 5 plus 10. So 5 is a value, right? Or I can use reference also, like A1, A2, just like this. What I have written over here, A1 plus A2. So I have written my cell address over there, or reference in a cell. I can use any arithmetic operator also, like plus, minus, multiplication, division, etc. Or I can use relational formula, that is greater than or equal to, less than, not equal, whatever. Or I can use functions like sum, average, and many more. So this is how you can enter your formula. What are the things you can write is, you can write any kind of values in your cell reference. You have to start with equal to sign, that is for sure. Then you can write cell references like A1, A2, A3, also on. You can use arithmetic operators, you can use conditional or relational operators, or you can use function in that expression. Okay. Now, all of you are having this thing on your Excel sheet. आपके पास Excel sheet open है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
we are doing a simple exercise. Suppose here I have got 5 numbers with me, right? Now,
Excuse me, sir.
quickly you have to say me, if I
Excuse me,
want
sir.
total, suppose here I want total of this, here I want average, here I want maximum, here I want minimum, here, fine, on those cells. Okay, so if I want a total of this 5 number, what I need to do? Suppose if I
इक्वल
want
का
total
साइन
of
लगाना
this-
पड़ेगा सर पहले,
sorry,
इक्वल का साइन लगाना
okay,
पड़ेगा सबको
I have to
सिलेक्ट
start
करके
with
फिर
equal to sign, fine. Then I
Yes,
can
sir.
use sum formula or I can use plus operator, whatever I can do. So we are trying to
Sum.
do this with sum, right? So here is my sum
Yes.
formula. Whenever you will type the formula name, you will find suggestion in Excel, right? जैसे मैंने sum लिखा यहाँ पे तो मुझे ये suggest करेगा. What are the argument of sum? That is number 1, number 2, number 3 and so on. You can put other different numbers. So we can select the range of this also,
यस
like this. Fine.
क्लोज द कॉलम.
Close the column and enter. So this will
Yes.
give me the total of these 5 numbers, right? If I
Hmm.
change any of the number, my total will get changed, right? Okay. Now suppose here I want the average of this. So the formula name is average. Fine. Same thing. I need to select those 5 numbers and I'll get the average of these 5 numbers, right? If I want maximum of this, I have for formula name function max, sorry. If I'll select these things, I'll get the maximum values from these numbers. If I want minimum of this, I can use the minimum formula and then simply select those
Select.
numbers, bracket over, and you will get the minimum value from these 5 numbers, right? This is the
Yes.
simple thing we can do. Hello?
यस सर.
Okay, this is the
Yes, sir.
simplest thing you can do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't think you can have any trouble with this, right? ये
No, sir.
Yes.
simple है, you can do this. Now suppose I want this total over here also. मतलब जो भी total वहां पे आया, जो मेरा B7 cell है, वहां पे मेरा total आ रहा है. Suppose I want to do some kind of calculation over here in I cell, I8 cell. So if I want that total over here, what I need to do? Suppose what I want to do, total multiply by 5. I want to do this. Whatever the total comes of these 5 numbers, I want to multiply with that of that total into 5. So what I need to do over here? In I8 cell, I want to do total of those 5 numbers multiply by 5.
V7 into 5.
376 into 5. That's the thing I want to do.
सर इक्वल टू का साइन करके वहाँ पे जाना है और नंबर पे जाके सिलेक्ट करना है.
Okay.
उसके बाद
So what
को
you
sign देके-
need to do is you need to press equal to first of all. Then you can go to that cell that is B7. Right? Then you have to
Yes,
do
sir.
multiply operator, that is star, and then I can type 5. Fine. These are the things. Okay. यहाँ पे मैंने किया तो मुझे 5 multiply मिल गया. Means you can use that cell reference into anywhere in your sheet. Right? Instead
Yes.
of this, what I can do is equal to 376 into 5. ये भी कर सकता था.
Yes, sir.
ये भी कर सकते थे. Result is
Yes,
same.
sir.
Now what is the difference in those two things? दो चीजों के बीच में difference क्या है?
और वहां पर कोई चेंज हुआ तो यहाँ पर भी हो जाएगा.
सपोज यहाँ पे मैंने 20 की जगह पे 25 किया, so everywhere this is going to change. Total, average, mix, mean, everything is getting changed. Whereas this 376 into 5 won't change because वहाँ पे तो आपने fixed value use कर ली है. You haven't used that cell reference, but यहाँ पे change हो जाएगा because B7's value is getting changed. That I7 value will also will get changed, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
So this is a cell reference you can use in your existing worksheet. Now the same thing I want to do in sheet 2, not in sheet 1. Suppose I just want to do the same thing. Whatever the thing I have done over here in I7 cell, I just want to do the same thing onto B2 cell. Now what I need to do? Are you getting what I am trying to say? What
हाँ सर, इक्वल टू का साइन देके सर उस शीट पे जाना है और सिलेक्ट करके
सेम चीज करनी है आपको. इक्वल टू का साइन
Yes,
देना
sir.
है. गो टू शीट 1, सिलेक्ट दैट सेल. नाउ यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि जैसे ही आप शीट इक्वल टू करके किसी भी सेल को सिलेक्ट करते हो, यू विल गेट दैट डॉटेड बॉर्डर.
Yes.
Fine?
Yes, sir.
अब यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करना है
Enter.
into 5, then what I need to do now?
सीट 2 पे जाना पड़ेगा सर आप।
C2 पे
Tab
जाके
button.
एंटर
C2 पे जाके मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5
हाँ।
करो।
यस
This is the wrong method. What this will do is, look at it. It will give you 0. Why? जैसे ही आप सीट 2 पे मूव हुए, उसने क्या किया? सीट 1 का B7 था, उसकी जगह सीट 2 का B7 ले लिया। Now,
Okay.
again I am doing the
Okay.
same thing over here, right? What I need to do, equal to sign, go to seat 1, just select it. And here only you have to multiply by 5. Right?
ओके
तो यहीं से 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करके फिर आप एंटर मारो, तो यहाँ पे आपको जो भी चाहिए वो चीज आएगी।
ठीक है।
गॉट इट? जब भी
Yes,
आप
sir.
फॉर्मूला में किसी और सीट का फंक्शन या सेल रेफरेंस यूज करो, यू हैव टू टेक दिस इन कंसिडरेशन व्हेनेवर यू आर यूजिंग दैट रेफरेंस। सपोज आई एम डूइंग लाइक सम, राइट? सम कर रहे हैं हम लोग, सम का फंक्शन यूज कर रहे हैं। सीट 1 पे जाता हूं, यहाँ पे मैंने सेल ले लिया। अब मुझे ऐसा करना है कि सीट 2 का कोई एक सेल है जिसका सम इसके साथ करना है, राइट? तो ऑब्वियस है कि मुझे सीट 2 पे जाना पड़ेगा, right?
Yes.
But what you have to do is, first of all, put comma,
ओके
okay? Then go to C2 and then select your cell.
ओके ओके
Got it?
यस
Yes, sir.
Whenever you are using a reference, you need to consider this into the things. Fine?
ओके
कोई भी
ओके
comma operator है, कोई भी multiply operator है, पहले वो use कर लो, then you can move to another seat or another cell,
ओके
right?
आर्डन प्लीज एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन करेंगे
Okay,
लास्ट
I'm
वन।
repeating the thing, entire thing here only. Now, first thing, seat 1 आपने समझ में आ गया? seat 1 में कैसे किया?
यस यस
सिंपल है, इक्वल टू किया,
हाँ
सेल सिलेक्ट किया, मल्टीप्लाई किया 2 किया, राइट? और मल्टीप्लाई करके 5 किया, वॉट एवर द थिंग आई वांट टू,
Okay.
आई हैव डन दिस, राइट? नाउ द सेम थिंग आई वांट टू डू विद द सीट 2. So first of all you have to open the seat 2. Fine. Here the same method, you have to do equal to sign, go to seat 1, just select your cell, whatever cell you
Select.
want to use, just select it.
into 5
Now this is a dotted border. Now what you need to do is, if you will go to sheet 2, now if you will move, आप चेक करो फॉर्मूला बार मेरा, अभी इस फॉर्मूला बार में क्या दिख रहा है? Equal to sheet 1 exclamation B7, right? If I'll move to sheet 2, that sheet 1 will get changed into sheet 2. Now you can see this dotted border on my sheet 2 B7 cell, right? So what you have to do is, again go to sheet 1, this is a dotted border, now use multiplication mark.
into
Okay, into. Now you can put 5 over here and enter from
Yes.
here only, you will get the total over here,
ओके सर
right?
डन।
Another
Done, sir.
example, suppose what we want to do is, we want to use some formula. In this we want to use one cell, one number from sheet 1 and second number from sheet 2. Suppose we need to do this, right? So what I need to do is, equal to some bracket. Now for the first value I will move to the sheet 1, I'll select any cell, I'll get the dotted border over here.
ओके
Getting? यहाँ
Yes,
तक
yes.
समझ में आया क्या किया है?
यस
सम किया, सीट 1 में B7 सेल किया। नाउ ऑब्वियस है कि मुझे सीट 2 का कोई सेल यूज करना है, देन आई नीड टू मूव टू द सीट 2 टू सिलेक्ट दैट सेल, राइट?
Okay.
बिफोर मूविंग यू हैव टू यूज दिस कॉमा ऑपरेटर,
कॉमा ऑपरेटर यस
ठीक है? कॉमा जो भी उसका आर्गुमेंट है वो पास कर लिया मैंने।
okay
देन आई विल मूव टू सीट 2, नाउ आई विल सिलेक्ट दिस।
यस सर
आप फॉर्मूला देख सकते हो, पहला फॉर्मूला आपका सीट 1 एक्सक्लेमेशन B7 रहा। अगर कोमा लगाने से पहले आप सीट 2 पे आए, देन सीट 1 B7 विल बिकम सीट 2 B7।
ओके ओके
ओके
Got
ओके
it?
सर गेट इट
यस यस
Okay, now the bracket over and enter. This will do the sum of 2 cells, one cell from seat 1, second cell from B2. Seat
Yes,
2,
sir.
sorry.
ओके
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try this
Yeah.
on your sheet. आप अपने अपने वर्कशीट में ये करिए, ट्राई करिए। सबके पास एक्सेल है ना? किसी को भी नहीं है ना ऐसा कि एक्सेल इंस्टॉल नहीं हुआ आपके मशीन में?
No, sir.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's move further. Now, the next step, what we want to do is, we want to use, suppose I have to save this workbook, suppose, okay? मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, इस वर्कबुक को पहले मैं सेव कर देता हूँ. ITT virtual batch. Okay. This is my sheet. ये sheet को मैंने सेव कर लिया. Now I am opening a new workbook. For that my shortcut is Alt N और Control N. Sorry. Control N करके मैंने एक नया वर्कबुक बनाया. अब मेरे पास दो वर्कबुक हैं. फर्स्ट बुक ये है जो आपकी पहले में रही थी ITT VB. Second workbook is this. Now what I want is, I want the same thing to do with different workbook. मतलब मुझे प्रीवियस वर्कबुक का कोई सेल यूज करना है और यहाँ का कोई सेल यूज करना है. The total of that previous workbook, and with this I want to add one number from this workbook. So what I need to do, the same concept we will follow. You have to do equal to sign, use sum, fine, go to that workbook. ये वर्कबुक में गए, शीट 1 में गए, ये सेल को सिलेक्ट किया. अगेन डॉटेड बॉर्डर आ रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the same thing you have to do. You just put one comma operator. Go to your new workbook. Select your cell. Bracket over and enter.
Okay.
Got it? So you can
Yes.
use
Yes, sir.
cell from existing worksheet, the same worksheet of yours, another worksheet but the same workbook, and a sheet from two different workbook. You can combine like this. Right?
Okay.
Try this. But before that, you have to save your previous workbook. अगर वो workbook save नहीं की होगी
Okay, sir.
तो ये काम नहीं करेगा, right? So first of all, you need to save your first workbook.